Hello everyone, in this video I am talking about the first look of Google Pixel 9 Pro. So the first look of the Google next flagship phone has been released 9 months before its launch and there are some controversial design changes. So I know the Pixel 8 Pro was just launched, it's been like 3 months but that it's not stopping leaker from getting yearly image of Pixel 9 Pro. This is come from one leaker who as you know has a great track record. As you can see, the phone has a completely flat edge giving off iPhone vibes. No, it is not just Google jumping on the Apple design train. Samsung hopped on the wagon with their new Galaxy S24. Honestly, I am not bothered by the whole copying thing. If you are gonna copy, might as well copy the good stuff you know. I have always liked how the iPhone rocked that flat frame. Also from the look of it. The frame is curved at the edge. They are not sharp, more like the iPhone 15 Pro, which is cool because the S24 has some sharp corner. Going on, what I am surprised about that in the camera module, Google has also redesigned the rear camera bar. Instead of separating it all corner, they have got this 3 camera setup track in the blogging oval shaped island, kinda like what we saw on the Pixel Fold. I am seeing a lot of people on Twitter that they don't like this design. Personally, I like it. To be honest, it looks exactly like the iPhone 15 Pro with a punch hole camera and the different camera model. But hey, let's keep it real. The iPhone 15 Pro already looks sharp minus that weird pill-shaped cutout. So no big if Google picking up those cool design cases. Anyway, Google seems to have changed the placement of a SIM card. No, it's at the bottom right next to the USB-C port. Interestingly, one leak mentioned that the Pixel 9 Pro will sport a 6.5-inch display, noticeably similarly than the 6.7-inch screen on the 8 Pro. Funny thing, this is the overall dimension are not really different from last year. No, call me spectacle, but I am thinking this might be a hype. It pulled the same move with the Pixel 8 Pro in predicting a similar display, but I didn't pan out. It is clearly measuring the screen wrong. The Pixel 9 Pro will have a Tensor G4 chip and there was report that it will be manufactured by TSMC instead of Samsung Foundry. This was a big deal because you know TSMC made the chip have better performance, thermal and efficiency, but turn out Google deal with the TSMC fell apart due to low volume. So they are back to teaming up with Samsung Foundry to make that. No, before you get disappointed, let me tell you that Samsung Foundry finally found a way to manufacture chipsets that are not overheating. Their latest exynos on the S24 perform on par with the Snapdragon counterpart while maintaining the thermal. So I don't think Google coming back to Samsung is a problem. Anyway, if you have not seen the speed test between the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can find it here and I will see you there. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe the channel.